Riley, first and foremost, is a people company. Whether it's servicing a large commercial system or performing a residential tune-up, our job is to get it right and leave with a smile on your face. When you schedule an appointment with Riley, you can trust that we're going to show up on time, fix the problem, and treat you with respect. Consistency is key, so on every call we use a thorough checklist to make sure we cover all bases, not only diagnosing the issue, but looking for future problems or concerns. Every one of us here at Riley loves the feeling of a job well done, so we go through continuous training and education courses so that we can give you the best the industry has to offer. When you call us to come out and fix the problem, you can trust that we'll get you back up and running. We'll also look at the whole system and make sure everything else checks out. It's not just our job, it's our passion. Our favorite part of our job is asking the question, is there anything else we can do before we pack up, even if it's changing a light bulb? Because for us, it's more than just a paycheck, it's a relationship, and that's a great feeling.